If you love your Volkswagen Touareg, but wish it had modern smartphone features, this is the upgrade you have been looking for. Today, we are featuring the LEXXSON wireless CarPlay and Android Auto interface, specifically designed for the RNS850 system in Touaregs from 2010 to 2018. The best part about this kit is the OEM feel. You do not have to replace your high-quality factory screen. Instead, this decoder box hides behind your dash, keeping your original display and all your factory controls perfectly intact. You can still use your steering wheel buttons and rotary controller to navigate the menus. Connectivity is fast and stable thanks to built-in 5.8G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It supports full wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Mirror Link. This means you get live traffic updates from Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps right on your dash. Plus, you can keep your hands on the wheel and use voice commands like, "Hey Siri," to send messages or play your favorite music. Installation is completely non-destructive. It is 100% plug-and-play, so there are no wire breaks or permanent changes to your car's wiring. You can even switch back to your original VW display at any time using your factory controls. If you want to bring your Touareg into the modern era without ruining its classic interior, this is the perfect solution. I have placed the direct Aliexpress link in the first pinned comment below. If you are not sure about compatibility, just snap a photo of your center console and ask their support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more premium car retrofits. See you in the next one.